Hey friends, Zen Kuna here. So we're going to start off with a little bit of warm-up using a small longevity ring and just your standard Cobra rope. So any chunk of rope will do it, and steel ring or a wooden ring, whatever you got. Let's do it. Make sure that your rope is taut and then pull it up. So just like you're trying to pull your rope apart. And now here you just start working your way back. So you're pumping. Just keep pumping it back. Keep pulling the rope apart. Slowly bringing it down. And you just go as far as you go. Then take the pressure off for a moment. Bring one arm out in front. Bring it into the back circle. Bring it down. Lift the other side. Bring it forward and bring it around. Then reverse it. And then let's see if we can go over all the way. Then let's go over again. And back. And again. Now you're going to put the rope in the back. Turn this so your palms are forward. We're just going to stay in the back circle for a few repetitions. Keeping the tightness or the tautness of the rope as much as you can. Then bring it all the way around in a circle. Reverse it. And pulling the rope apart, start working your arms up. And pull it up. Now you don't need to go all the way down in the front. You can, but that's not going to do much. You're going to find most of your work is going to be being done from about this point on back. So this is where you start to work a little bit. Finding the areas that feel tight to you and exploring them. Keeping the rope taut. And down, then around again. And reverse it. And then 3 times over and back. And this is really just a resting time. Here's you come in the front, and then you work it. Work it, and rest it. One more time. Good. All right. Now, take your ring. I'm using a small ring. You don't need to use these. I found them on Amazon. They are children's rings, but actually because they're smaller, they're a more advanced ring because it works you differently. It works you more intensely. So the usual size gymnastic rings work just great, and they're a good place to start. If that's too small for you, you can get the Wing Chun rings that are much larger. They're like about, I think, 9 inches to 13 inches. So let's check it out. Go ahead and hold it so you got a nice ring at the back here. You got your wrist in neutral. Come out to the side, cross elbows, push elbows down, and we're going to pump back and forth for just 3. Then we're going to come up over the shoulder. Notice each time I'm pulling the ring down. Then we're going to bring this out into the front. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So instead of being here, it's going to be out in front of you, and you're going to lift up. Then we're going to go over opposite shoulder. Then we're going to change hands. Do the same thing. And that's a good warm-up for your upper body. Now let's go into for getting some lower body happening. We'll start with straight leg, figure 8 or infinity. Change the direction. Then we can come down into pelvic stretcher. Then bring your arms around and behind. Interlace the fingers, press palms together if you can. If you can't, you can do it with your palms apart and lift up. Then we're going to do the X breath. Inhale, make fists, cross arms. You're going to look through your legs when you bend forward. Last one. And for me, that's an adequate workout to get started on the next phase.